This video will be creating nut for the vice assembly. So here is the model we are going to create. Drawing files have attached for reference. You can also download the file from the link. Now let's start designing. Take new design file, set your units to mm, invoke create sketch, select top plane, take circle tool, from origin draw a circle of diameter 9. From create polygon, circumscribe polygon. From center draw polygon of side 6 and this radius is 9. We'll give vertical constraint. Okay. Now we can extrude. Invoke extrude feature. Select the profile. Direction symmetric. Measurement wall length. Distance is 10. Okay. Okay. Create. Take thread feature. Select the inner face. It should be modeled. In thread type, ANS symmetric. Size is this. Okay. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Take line tool. And from this point, draw a horizontal line. Then downwards another line, then from create arc, 3-point arc, from the end of the both lines draw an arc. Okay, now coincident constraint this point and this edge of the solid. Okay, take dimension. The distance is 3. The distance is 3. Radius is 4. Take equal constraint. Make this both line equal. Okay. Now from solid, take revolve feature. Profile is already selected. Okay. And the axis, we will select this axis. Okay, in operation, cut. Okay. Yes. Now from create, take mirror feature, object type features, and from timeline, select revolve feature. Okay, mirror plane, we will select the top plane, this plane. Okay, yeah. So this is the final design of the nut. Hence we have finished creating the component.